guys? Welcome to another video with your buddy the Roller Coaster Crafter, and today we are on day 2 of construction of our recreation of Steel Vengeance, and so far looking pretty darn awesome. We got the first drop off and we also got the first air triangle, so now we gotta work on the first giant turn. So hopefully we have enough space for this, which it looks like we will. And yeah, I'm just a bit scared that this all won't fit in this room because the unprecedented size of this coaster, but we'll make it work. So I'm gonna throw a little music on and we're gonna get started on construction. Hopefully we get through the giant U-turn and the overbank turn, all these weird turns, but who knows. But let's get started.